CIS scholars, how are you all today? Children, I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy. Children, you know what are we all going to learn in today's session? In today's session, we are all going to learn about vegetables. I know you all are aware about vegetables, but in this video, I am going to revise about types of vegetables in detail. So, are you all ready for learning? Let us start. So, children, do you know vegetables are so important for our good health? If we want to become healthy and stay healthy for long life, we always should include vegetables in each of our meals. You know, children, vegetables can be eaten in every meal because it has lots of good vitamins and minerals and fibers which helps our body to work properly. So now I will explain you how these vegetables can be consumed. You know, children, vegetables can be any eatable part of a plant. It can be in form of roots. It can be in form of stems. It can be in form of leaves. So, here first we are going to understand about the eatable part of plants, that is root. So first of all, we will understand about root vegetables. Now you know, children, few vegetables grow under the land. The vegetables which grows underground are called root vegetables. We also call them underground vegetables. The first underground vegetable is onion. As you can see, this onion is purple in color. Onion has many layers. We can eat onion raw and we can eat after cooking also. The next vegetable is radish. Radish is also a root vegetable. It is white in color. We can eat the root part of this plant, and along with that we can also eat the leaves of radish. Radish can be eaten raw and cooked also. Now comes carrot. Carrot is also a root vegetable. It is orange in color. Carrot is used for many dishes. We can eat carrot in salad also, and sometimes we cook also. Now comes ginger. Ginger is brown color root vegetable which is used as a spice, and in some cases we can call it a herb because ginger has so many good qualities in it that It is used as medicine in curing some diseases. So ginger is also a root vegetable and it is very good. Now comes beetroot. Beetroot is purple in color and it has so much good qualities. It has lots of hemoglobin and it is very good for our health. Beetroot is used in making salads and we can make many dishes out of it. Now comes sweet potato. Sweet potato is children's favorite. Sweet potato is white in color when we peel it, but from outside it is pink in color. Sweet potato can be consumed after roasting it, and there are many uses of it. Sweet potato is also a root vegetable. And the last and most favorite underground vegetable of everyone is potato. Yes, potato is also a underground vegetable as it grows under the ground. Potato is called a root vegetable. Potato goes almost in every dish and Indians love to eat potatoes. So children, this was about root vegetables. So I hope you liked today's video and you understood about root vegetables in detail. I will come back soon with another very interesting video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.